Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kenjilo and welcome back to Ken's Garage. Daniel from Bakkie just dropped this beautiful iDrive thing off for me to test and do a video on. And I actually have no idea what iDrive is until he actually dropped it off. Did some research, and it's actually a throttle response modulator. You got your different modes and stuff like that, so let's get into it. This is the box that it comes with. A beautiful white box, iDrive. You would actually, reading this you mistake it. Apple actually made it, but no. These things have been tested and tried out in Australia. They sell about 2,000 of these units a month in Australia, so definitely tried and tested. For me, this is pretty new in South Africa, but I'm glad it's finally here. At Bakkie you can get it at 1,999. A lot of places they sell it for 2,499 or 2,999. I'll put a link on the bottom where you can order your iDrive for your specific car as well. This one's specific to the Ranger. Okay, cool. So let's open up the box. Inside your box, you'll get your unit. So you got your mode button, and you got your set button. You've got your harness at the back, as well as they give you a little clip tie to tie up your harness and your instruction manual. See, so this is very simple. This goes into your original plug, and then the original plug that's been plugged out will have to go in here. So it's basically like a bypass, and then you have to just put this unit somewhere nicely in your fascia area, and you can change your modes and your sets. Okay, so before we install this unit into my vehicle, I need to explain something. So this thing is not a piggyback system, so it doesn't change your fueling, doesn't change your timing, doesn't change your boost. It only controls the throttle. Why do you want this? No, number one, your throttle is actually, from the factory, it's set in one kind of tone. So with this device, you can actually set it to more sensitive, which means that when you do want to accelerate, the power comes on immediately. You still have the same kilowatts in the torque. I don't know, but that's what I think it's supposed to do. And in the econo mode, it's actually not to give you economy. It's actually to kind of retard the power, so that when you do crawling and you're doing some sort of slow driving into the bushes, that you don't want that spike in power. So it kind of retards the power a bit, retards the throttle response a bit, so that it can go smoother. Other than that, yeah, I think we should try it out and see. I will have a second part to this video, so please do subscribe and like the video as well. The second part of the video, I will actually be going onto the dyno and actually see where it actually, on the graph, how it reacts to this thing. If there's anything I can see on the graph, because that's the only way I can actually figure out what this does to the car. So please stay tuned, subscribe, and check out part 2. Okay guys, so this is not a Ford versus Toyota thing, but unfortunately this Toyota is busy getting its side steps fixed. My buddy took a wrong turn, talking about scary movies. Wrong turn number 7 probably. And he completely f***ed up his sideboards, and now we're busy fixing it. But then after this, we're going to install the boost control. No, what the f*** is that called again? iDrive. And then I'm actually going to ask Fred to drive it, because he's least biased to Ford. So get a Toyota driver to drive the iDrive in the Ford Ranger, and then he can tell us if it actually makes a difference or not. Okay, so this is the one that you unplug. So you lift up the red tab here, and you simply just unclip it. So basically this goes back into where you unclipped it, and the unclipped harness goes back into here, so back a loop. So let's do that quickly. Cool, so let's put the original harness, clip into this one, lock it, and then the other one from the iDrive, you basically simply just this way. No, wait, other way. Yes, this way. There's only one way to go, one way you can go in anyway. There we go, and you lock it. That's it. Neaten up with some cable ties, and then next step is to put this somewhere in your car. Okay, cool. So it's installed, it's working. So they essentially got 4 modes. So you got this is factory setting, so no modes. You've got your econo mode, and you can set your econo mode to different sensitivity. That's 0, and this is your higher sensitivity for econo mode. Ultra mode, which is your your fast mode. You can set the sensitivity again. I set it up to 9 for now. And you got your auto mode. So if you don't want to change, it kind of judges how your throttle position is, and it will change between eco and ultra. So that's your factory settings again. So okay, let's get it hooked up. I'm gonna get it hooked up over here, clean up the wires, and we're gonna have a test drive. Okay guys, it's now firmly here. Wires are tucked away underneath all the way, and there's no cables. Just make sure there's no cables hanging here. Make sure you tighten it up properly, otherwise if you hook on it, big problems. Okay, cool. You ready for a test drive? Good. Okay, we're in the bakkie now. That's Fred from earlier. Basically he drives the Toyota Hilux, so I rather want him to actually drive this vehicle with the iDrive on. So now we got it on normal mode now, so let him drive and feel how the truck actually feels without any of the iDrive inputs. Okay, let's switch it to econo mode. So now that's E. There, E.
So what do we want?
Is it E9?
E9.
Let's leave it at 9.
Okay.
Okay, so this is econo mode at the highest setting.
So, okay, let's go.
Feels slightly slower at acceleration. Kind of hinders your the power, cuts the power down a bit. But they actually say that this is more useful on off-road, the economy mode, where you're trying to go through maybe soft sand, or you're trying to go through maybe mud, and you don't want that slip in power and get you stuck.
Sudden torque.
So you've got that smoothness of the accelerator in the economy mode. Yeah, definitely. The power would have come up much quicker in a normal mode.
It's accelerating slower. I've only got 100 now.
I'm pretty sure that should also help you with fuel saving.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so let's do the ultra mode, which is the power mode. I left it at setting 9. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, U9. Alright, let's do this.
Jeez.
Oh my word! Wheel spinning!
Good Lord!
Yes, sis!
Yeah, no, there's a lot of difference there. Yes, sis. You gotta be careful with that.
Definitely some wheel spinning there, eh?
Yo, and I didn't even punch it, eh?
Yo.
That's enormous.
And the sensitivity of the throttle?
Yeah.
Is it much higher?
Very much higher, yeah.
Wow. And that's coming from a Hilux driver. This is why I wanted him to drive my car with the iDrive on it, so that people don't say, oh, I'm so biased, I'm Ford biased, blah 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 blah.
You gotta be careful with this.
Oh, let's do it again.
Yeah,
Okay, definitely.
And that's, I hardly even touched the accelerator.
Really?
Hardly even. You gotta feel this.
My
you
word.
Have to feel this for yourself.
My word. I'm gonna be so interested in seeing how the dyno graph will look. I mean, by feeling it, big difference. But we have to have it in black and white and see where and how is it delivering the power.
You'll feel it. You must try this to sort of appreciate it. It's definitely
amazing. They do have one for the Toyota Hilux, by the way.
Yeah, no, but the Toyota Hilux is good enough on its own.
Ah.
You need extra stuff. You need to try this one. Look at the skid marks in the road yet. Sorry, we don't need to skid the tires.
It's fine, it's fine. Good test. Easy 5 to 10 minute fitting on the iDrive, and it really does make a difference. I mean, Fred here, we've been talking for a while now as well, and it does make a big difference. Definitely worth getting, definitely worth the money as well. Be sure to subscribe, make sure you're on my channel, keep up to date. The second video will be on the dyno, and hopefully that will kind of show us where and how does this iDrive work in black and white. Cool. So see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Cheers.